Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on my hobby gardening. Gardening is my favorite hobby because I love plants and flowers. I enjoy digging in the soil and planting seeds or small plants. Watering plants every day helps them grow big and healthy. I like watching plants sprout and grow taller over time. Gardening teaches me patience and care for living things. I get excited when I see flowers blooming in my garden. I learn about different plants and how they grow in different seasons. Gardening is a great way to be outside and enjoy nature. I can grow vegetables like tomatoes and carrots in my garden. It makes me happy to see birds and butterflies visit my garden. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.